Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the next video wherein we are going to be talking about Nifty, that how exactly Nifty has performed in this week and how exactly the sentiment is going on. From the last couple of days I was not well, that's the reason I was not uploading the videos, but now I'm quite fine. So I've been thinking to upload the video and we'll discuss something about what exactly is going on in the market and how exactly in the last couple of days the market has performed. So market has actually turned up and it has really been going on the bullish side, and we have seen the crucial resistance of 16,400, 300 and 350 has been crossed with the amazing gap ups. We have been seeing amazing bullishness in the market. So what we can expect from the market as of now, because as per on the weekly chart we can see that let me firstly show you the days chart, that how exactly Nifty has performed in the last 2-3 days. So what really had happened over here, let's try to look and analyze that what exactly is going on in the market, and basis on that we'll proceed with the discussion. So firstly, let's see that this particular day, when there was a huge gap down, we had seen the market to open up with the huge gap up the very next day. So it was kind of a really crucial resistance, that was crucial support that was made around 15,900, 950 and 9 this particular from 15,900 to 16,000. This was a crucial resistance that was made by the market. But basis on that, on the following days there was a continuous selling that was going on in the market, and basis on that, on the last very expiry, that we had seen that when Nifty was trying to reach to the level of 15,900, it has taken a very sharp reversal, and basis on that it has reached to it rallied for like 300 points, and basis on that it made a high of 16,000 204. That was the high that was made on the last expiry, and basis on that, from that particular day onwards we had seen a complete change in the market. The market opened with the gap up on the very next day on Friday, and for even if you will have to see for today, that it has crossed all the crucial resistances, and basis on that it has opened at the price of somewhere around it opened at the price of 16,527. That is amazing gap up that we have seen today. Though it was pretty much evident from the overall world's market scenario that the market is going to open up with a gap up. SGX Nifty was 0.93% high, and Nasdaq was also 3.33% high. As the Nasdaq was high, we were expecting the IT to perform really very well, and that's what happened today. And Nifty majorly all the sectors were in green for today, as you can see from the screenshot, that beat metal, energy, auto, reality, all the sectors closed in green, and Nifty was also green by 1.89%. That's really amazing that we are seeing this kind of a movement in the market. But what I having a doubt over here, that it is traveling all these points with the gap ups. So that's a kind of a concern as well, because if we have to see some sort of a bullishness, if we have to see some kind of a reversal in the market, then it has to be done on the slow, a little bit, on a slower basis. Because if the market is going to open up like this way, then it will definitely going to take a turn from the higher side, from some kind of a resistance, because it does not usually happen that the movement will be on a particular direction, but there has to be some kind of a pause, there has to be some kind of a reversal, and that's what I've been thinking as of now. Because right now it is again at a crucial resistance. We can say that this particular as you can see from these two candles on the daily basis, these two big red candles are the low of these two candles is definitely going to act as a crucial resistance, and that's what happened today itself. If I have to just show you the chart on the 5 minutes in the 5 minutes duration, then you can definitely see the reversal being taken from this point. So what I did a mistake today in my today's trade, I was thinking that the market has opened with a huge gap up and it has rallied up to this much of points, then definitely it should take some kind of a reversal. Though I did not check that particular level of 16,600 16,700 that was acting as a crucial resistance. It rallied up to this point, and then it started coming back to a little point, to the point of 16,650, and following that, after 12 o'clock we did not see major movements in the Nifty. We were just seeing the consolidation and basis on that, Nifty was all the way traveling, with the consolidation till the end of the day, and it closed at the point of 16,661. That's what the overall movement was. Though Nifty opened with a gap up, made a high of 16,695 based on the crucial resistance that was made on the daily chart, as you can see from these two red candles. This is definitely going to act as a crucial resistance for tomorrow as well, because if that's going to be crossed with a gap up, then yes, again it's going to act as a little bit of support. But what I've been thinking that for this week, let me show you some interesting points over here, and basis on that you can take a guess at how exactly the market's gonna perform. Let me also tell you some more important points over here based upon the gap ups that we have seen, because whenever the market opens with a gap up, there has to be a gap filling that should be done. Because right now, as of now, we can see that 16,400, 500, 600, all the points has been crossed. So what I've been expecting is that the market is gonna make a high for this. Let me show you one more interesting point over here, and basis on that you can better analyze that what exactly is going on in the market. So if you can see over here that it is again the same chart on the daily basis. All we have been the thing that is there visible on this particular chart is these are all the EMAs. So basis on that, we can take a guess that the market is not going to be able to cross the level of 16,900 or 950, at least for this week. The reason why I'm saying is that because that is the point of 200 EMA. This particular blue line is 200 EMA, and this particular pink line is 100 EMA. So what I've been thinking is that for this week at least, this should act as a crucial resistance. The market should take a reversal from this point, and it should not be able to cross this particular point. And from the bottom side, if you would have to see that, then what I've been thinking is that 16,400, previously it was a good resistance, and this time for this week it should act as a crucial support, and market should not be able to go beyond this level, and it should be consolidating. It should be only moving for this week till the end of the expiry, at least in this range. From the higher side, what I've been thinking is that 16,900, and from the bottom side, if I'll have to just predict, then 16,400 is something which should be the minimum for this particular week, at least at least for this expiry. That's what the level that I've been thinking. And for tomorrow's movement, what I've been thinking is that if the market is going to open with a gap up, then we can definitely expect some sort of a new high seeing for tomorrow. If the market's going to open up with the 16,650, or I'm sorry, 16,700 or 750, if that's going to be the gap up, then we can see somewhere around that kind of a movement of 16,800, because this is again a crucial resistance. So if that's going to be crossed, then yes, we can see again a new high. If the market is going to open up flat, then we can see once again this to be as a crucial resistance, and basis on that it's going to take a reversal, and we can expect some sort of a consolidation. And if the market is going to open up with the gap down, then yes, the consolidation is something which we can expect. And if the market is going to cross the low of this point, then we can expect some sort of a gap filling around this area. That's what the analysis is saying, because though it is easy to say in the after market hours, because right now the market is not moving, and yes, we can just simply take a prediction that yes, this can be done or this can be happen. But in the live market, all of the analysis is something which just get completely changed, and we see the market showing completely different behaviors. But yes, this is something that we can expect, and this is something that can be predicted based upon the previous performance of the market and based upon the things that we have as of now. So yes, that's it about this video, and that's it all about this particular analysis. And I hope that the market is gonna perform in this way, and if we see some strange movements, then yes, that's gonna be something which we don't have in our hands. But yes, this is something that can be predicted. So there are two important things that I would like to share in this video, that this is the change. This is something which I have been following. Though this video is not sponsored by any of these two platforms, but yes, I would like to share flat trade with you all, because this is something which I have started using. Flat trade is definitely one of the amazing platforms that I've just explored, because for small traders who are doing the options trading, then it is very much beneficial for all of us to, you know, save our money, not to spend the money or profits on the brokerage. So yes, flat trade is a definitely a good to go platform wherein you don't have to pay any of the fees for the brokerage, or because it is having zero charges. All you have to pay is just small taxes based upon the trades that you take. You don't have to pay any of the brokerage for the orders that you take, because sometimes it happens when we do the options trading, we have to take the orders one by one, and basis on that we pay so much of the fees on the brokerage. So if you want to avoid that kind of charges, then you can definitely choose the flat rate platform. It is definitely one of the amazing platform that I've explored. And not just that, if you also have any kind of a doubt about the interface, then I would say that the interface is quite amazing. It's quite simple and just like any other platform. Previously I used to trade in FYERS. FYERS is also amazing, but yes, talking about this flat trade platform, this is definitely one of the amazing one, because over here you don't have to pay any kind of a fees for the brokerage. And the next important thing that I would like to share with you all is the Quantsapp. It's again one of the amazing applications that I've explored so far. It is as of now I'm only using the free version of this particular app. This video is not sponsored by Quantsapp. It's just the fact that the reason I am sharing this particular app is with you is because it's going to help you in your trading style. If you want to make a strangle, if you want to make a straddle, and if you want to see the option chain with their theta decays, delta values, then yes, this is definitely a good to go platform. And therein it's going to help you to devise a strategy, or if you want to analyze your strategy in a better way, then yes, Quantsapp is something which you can take the benefit of. I'll definitely make a separate video wherein I'll be explaining some of the features of this app. As of now I'm only using the free version, but yes, if you want to go for the pro version, then you can just pay a small amount of fee, and then yes, basis on that you can start your trading. Alright guys, so that's it in this video. I hope you liked my analysis, and thanks for your time. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.